Got him. Got him. Got him. YouTube family. What is going on today with everyone, man? Hey, welcome back. And welcome to all the newcomers. It is your boy, your homie, you know, hey, Jay the Sneaker Guy, coming at y'all today with another unboxing video, man. Today is something that your boy has been looking forward to, man. Hey, I wanted to get these, man. If y'all been rocking with me for a little while, y'all, I have mentioned it in a couple of my previous videos. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a hint, man. It's a Jordan 1 low. And yes, it is one of the ones that I said, hey, I am looking forward to this one. Hold on. You know, your boy done cop these. I done cop these. Reviews and on feet for these are still coming. Yeah, I just been slacking, but they still coming. But it's nothing. These that I'm about to unbox though, hey, this is it, man. I've been looking forward to these. So yeah, man, if this is your first time stopping through, go ahead and join. Well, if you like anything that you're seeing, man, if you want to rock out with the fam, go ahead and join the family by hitting that subscribe button, y'all, man. We on that road to 30K and we are approaching it, man. So if y'all want to be a part of this you know, journey that we are on, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be greatly appreciated. And in advance, welcome to the family. But man, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, man. I know y'all are ready to see what it is. Y'all probably already know what time it is, man. Hey, you see the jersey. Hey, I'm in the spirit, man. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, y'all. Let's do it. Oh, appreciate you. Yes, that package has came in. Your boy had to order these off GOAT. These did release overseas, but your boy kept taking L's, man. I don't know. My luck hasn't been too good with overseas sites. At first, I was hitting on everything, but I guess now that everybody done found out about it, man, your boy has been taking L's, but it's all good. I probably paid like 60, 70 bucks above, probably about 50 bucks above retail after tax. But if I would have bought it from, you know, the UK site with the shipping and fees and stuff, it probably would have been $10 difference. So it ain't that bad, y'all. But yeah, man, hey, got them here. Glad that they are here, and about to give y'all my first initial reaction on them, man. So pop it open real quick. Pop it open. See what we got, man. See what we got. As you can see, y'all, regular, boring Jordan box, but it is the same box we do get with all of our Air Jordan 1 lows. So yeah, y'all already know, as I said, it is an Air Jordan 1 low. Get that box out the way, and yes, and yes, man. Size tag on this one reads Air Jordan 1 low. Show that to y'all. And the color blocking on it is gem red, black, white. So you see it there. Color blocking that we have seen several times. This was from GOAT. As you can see, you do get your little GOAT barcode on it. Don't know what that is. That might be something to do with where it came from, but yep, that is your size tag. Nothing different, usual stuff. No retail sticker, of course, because overseas pickup, man. But moment of truth, man. Peel that top back, man. You do get your paper with your 2 3s written all over it, as you can see right there. No lot numbers, well, you do get a lot number. I'm tripping right there. So you get a lot number with these, but we don't get a white and green sticker or a quality control stamp. So let's check them out, y'all. Bang! Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Got them bread, reverse breads. Let me correct myself. Reverse bread lows, man. This was the pair I've been looking forward to, man. I needed these. I'm actually going to double up, bro. Look, probably gonna hit it off with this jersey, man. What y'all think? I'm probably rock it with this jersey. I probably rock this real soon too. But man, this is, in my opinion, one of, if not the best Air Jordan 1 low to release, man. Had to have these, bro. From when I first seen official images, man. And dope, bro. Huh? Oh yeah. I still got them. Yeah. It's nothing. Yeah, light work, you know. Just a little GR. It was a little GR. Y'all probably like, what you talking about, man? He know what I'm talking about. She know what I'm talking about. Bang! Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Ooh, got him. Got him. Boy, yes. It's complete now, man. But it's nothing. Yeah, I said it was light, man. It was a little GR, you know, that was everywhere. Easy cop, you know, easy cop. And you know, it's still on ice. You know how. Still on ice, nothing major, you know. But no need to wear these, man. This is just a trophy, actually. Let me set this back here, man. Slight flex. But yes, bang. What the topic at hand is, man. Your boy picked up the Air Jordan 1 Low reverse breads, and I must say, dog, they dope, man. Nothing special, regular Air Jordan 1 quality. I will get into that during the on feet and review of these, y'all, as well as lace swaps, of course. But you know, hey, just a fire colorway, man. Just look with the Bulls jersey, man. Oh my gosh, this is the best Air Jordan 1 Low, in my opinion, man. I got another pair on the way that might, you know, I don't know. I still don't think it's gonna take this place, but it's on the way. But yes, man, very, very, very satisfied and happy with this pair, man. I will be doubling up, man. I need a pair to go on ice right along with that right there. But yeah, man, let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on the reverse bread lows. Did y'all hit them? Are y'all looking forward to them, man? Right now, there is no official set release date for the US pairs, but they have been restocking on and off overseas. I know JD Sports UK, they've been getting pairs, and a couple other sites, man. But yeah, man, hey, got him, man. I'm glad I had pulled that trigger, man. I did the instant ship. A lot of people been asking me about instant ship. It's the way to go. If it's about $10, $20 more than the original price, go ahead and do instant ship, man. I ordered these on Monday, and today is Thursday. Today's Thursday. I might have ordered it Tuesday. It only took 3 days, so I think I ordered it like Monday night, and they came Thursday. So yes, man. Y'all are not seeing this on Thursday, obviously, but yes, dope. Enough with the talking, man. But review on feet, as well as probably a slight little comparison coming soon, man. Thank y'all for rocking out with the fam. Y'all stay blessed until the next one. The Air Jordan 1 Low reverse breads, fire, man. Y'all stay blessed, man. I'm gone. Peace.
Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm popping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. 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 Know what it be, you two family. It's all LUV, that's from me to you to me. Yeah, kickin' major flame, how I rocks with it. They cop by 2-3 fits and gotta cop the socks with it. Hey, riding through the city, snap back or I fit it. If I'm rockin' with it and it's heated, oh let's get it. Kiss so cold and icy, feel so hot and spicy. Feeling like a million in my brand new pair of Nikes. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Got the people's eye, yeah, I keep that fire. Better watch me now, the heat I'm popping now. If that lace ain't popping out, then I'ma swap it out. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy. Jay the sneaker guy, Jay the sneaker guy.